and welcome to this Wednesday Word of Wisdom. I'm really glad that you're joining me today. See, I've been doing a series on goal setting, the things that we need to do, changes that we need to make, mindsets that we need to have in order to really achieve the goals that we are setting up for ourselves so that we can make this year stronger, better. We can feel more successful as we walk through this year. But for today, what I want to talk to you is about 7 things you need to quit in order to find that success that you're looking for, in order to achieve those goals that you're looking to achieve in whatever area of life that might be, whether that's your finances or your fitness or your family or your career, your business, whatever that might look like in your world. But anything that we want to achieve, emotional stability, resilience, strength, stepping out into some kind of new endeavor, whatever it might be, there are mindsets we need to develop in order to see success in those areas. So today I'm going to talk to you about 7 things that you need to quit in order to achieve that success. Now, the first thing that you need to quit is you need to quit making excuses. It was George Washington Carver who said that 99% of failures come from people who have a habit of making excuses. And so Benjamin Franklin said, "He that is good for making excuses is seldom good for anything else." If you really want something, you will find a way. Otherwise, you'll find an excuse. So you know what? Sometimes we need to reevaluate what it is that we want. We need to take a look at our vision that we're setting for ourselves and ask ourselves, is this what I really want? Because if you don't really want it, you're going to continue to find excuses not to get it done. I know that through the course of my life, I have had tons of excuses, tons of reasons not to go after the things that I want in my life. And mostly those were based in fear. And so what I realized that I needed to do was I needed to starve that fear and really feed my dreams, my vision, keep it in front of my eyes, keep it in my ears. I was listening to podcasts and videos and reading and making sure that I was keeping that vision in front of me. The second thing that you will need to quit is you will need to quit trying to please everyone. We have to quit being a people pleaser. When we try to please everyone, we often drop the ball and we wind up pleasing almost no one. And so we just need to wipe that out, completely out. Work on you. Find your vision, find your passion, find your dream, and pursue that with everything in you, no matter what people are telling you around you. Step up, step out, take action. The third thing you need to quit is you need to quit complaining. You see, because complaining really is a subconscious way of expressing that we feel powerless to change anything in our environment. And when we're complaining, typically it is about things that we don't have a lot of control over. You know, people can tell if you're successful or unsuccessful by the words that come out of your mouth. Complaining, it shows hopelessness. It delays our progress. When you complain, you remain. Watch yourself this week. Watch your words and ask yourself, do I want to sound powerless or powerful? The fourth thing that we need to quit doing is we need to quit second guessing ourselves. When we second guess ourselves, it robs us of our joy. It robs us of our self-esteem. Second guessing ourselves stops us from taking really any definitive action in our world. And then we wind up just sitting in all of the what ifs. What if? We all have this part of ourselves that wants to achieve something greater, something bigger, something more than ourselves. We want to have influence or have an impact in some way, shape, or form in our world. But when we second guess ourselves, it's that day-to-day part of ourselves that's just afraid and just wants to play it safe. Which is what takes me to number 5, the 5th thing that we need to quit doing, which is quit playing it safe. You know what? We need to step out. We need to step up. We need to mess up. We need to mess up. We need to fall down. We need to pick ourselves back up. one of my mentors always says, take massive, imperfect action. We just have to start. The sixth thing that we need to quit doing is quit comparing. You have to quit comparing yourself to other people's journey. It's a battle that you are never going to win. And it's because it's not fair. It's not fair. Everybody is at a different place in their journey. They're going after different things, and we all bring a different gift zone to the world. And so what you're doing, what you're bringing, who you are, how you love others, how you step up, how you serve, that is going to be completely unique to you and your journey. You cannot compare it to somebody else's. Plus, you know what? Every single person out there had to take their own steps on their own journey, and they're at a different place than you. And so you need to be walking your journey where you are. Get your eyes off of others and get your eyes onto your path, what's right in front of you. The seventh and final thing is quit waiting. The time is now. The time to take action is now. I mean, maybe you need to do some of that good thinking on the front end, build your vision board, develop what it is that you want to be putting out there into the world, the action steps that you need to take, making it down to those bite-sized manageable pieces. It's time to start now. You know what? Map it out, make your plan, but get started now. So the 7 things, once again, are quit making excuses, quit trying to please others, quit complaining, quit second-guessing yourself, quit playing it safe, quit comparing, and quit waiting. I hope this has added some value to you today, and I hope you'll join me in High Achiever. That's my goal setting program where we are going to set goals that you will actually achieve, allow you that space to create your vision, make it plain, break through the barriers that are holding you back. Bye for now.